नदिन कूक्यो अडुन भुणक्यो उन्यारन जी जरूरत आ। नदिन कूक्यो अडुन भुणक्यो उन्यारन जी जरूरत आ। पुकार्यो कणक भांडन में बुखारन जी जरूरत आ। मगर आडो पत्थर नाहिन भुरन टुकड़ा टकर आहिन। लखन तेशन लखन फरहाद पारण जी जरूरत आ। हाणे आउं तकरीर जे लाइ गुज़ारिश कंदुसि तव्हांजे ज़ोरदार ताड़ियुनि में मिस्टर फराज हुसैन डायरी। हैव अ बिग क्लैपिंग फॉर मिस्टर फराज।
Outside with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. Honorable my guests, respectful my teacher, and my dear friends and fellows, Assalamu alaikum. As you know, today we are celebrating Jashan-e-Latif. So today my topic is Law and Order Situation in Sindh. So I start my speech with this poetry. बातिल से कभी हक न दबा है न दबेगा, बातिल से कभी हक न दबा है न दबेगा, रोके से ये सैलाब रुका है न रुकेगा, मेरे सीने में हक की लगन और बढ़ेगी, आंधी से ये शोला न बुझा है न बुझेगा। घोड़ों से हुसैनों को गिरा सकते हो लेकिन सच्चाई का परचम न गिरा है न गिरेगा। Respected sir, my beloved country, which is based upon the manic ideological foundation of two-nation theory, whereas in the matter of fact, the Taliban were planned, designed, nurtured, trained and brought into existence and sponsored the terror and global fascism. Respected sir, a human does not mean to fight or kill for the sake of own good, peace, power and honesty, but it really means the fundamental rights of human are infringed, which cause unemployment, corruption, target killing, violation of human rights, kidnapping, committing, suicide, terrorism and extremism. Respected sir, in the new millennium, still there is no any best solution to eradicate those problems. Who does crime? A labor or a white man? Who says justice and violates the human rights? Who takes bribe? Who involves in the corruption, fraud, dictum and extremism? A farmer? An orphan or a beggar? No, but only education society from peon to the PM. Respected sir, if we are talking about history bears us witness that my beloved country crossed all the limits of crime and torture in Bengal and carried on in Bengal a brutal mass bloodshed and mass rape. Now, it has subjected Sindh, Balochistan and people of my country to heart-rending genocide, economical exploitation, which has resulted rise in poverty and has disturbed the normal social psychology. Respected sir, I continue my speech with this poetry. तारिक थी अग्यां बहरो कारे अचबो, तारिक थी अग्यां बहरो कारे अचबो, फरहाद थी को सारखे डारे अचबो, जैसे लथो चंद लथो थी उंदा तबज मजे आड़ा के बारे अचबो. Respected sir, the people of my country face draconian economical exploitation, torture, terror, injustice and evil agenda whose responsibility is to overcome and control. Respected sir, the people of my country has given considerably better response, support, sympathy and working hard with a great spirit and seriousness. Respected sir, however, as far as solution of problems which are faced by the people of my country is concerned, they are first rate because of law and order situation. There is no writ of government seen in any part of my country. Respected sir, the people of my country have been surviving in the constant fear and terror. They have been breathing under the heinous possibilities of social injustice, kidnapping, for ransom money, economical exploitation, torture, terrorism and extremism. Then I thought for a while I should go to jungle as there is no law and order in my country. But हसंत मचलती के नौ ने अफसोन शबे गम तोड़ दिया, हसंत मचलती के नौ ने अफसोन शबे गम तोड़ दिया. अब जागते हैं दीवाने दुनिया को जगा कर दम लेंगे, फिरौन बने जो फिरते हैं ढाते हैं सुतम कमजोरों पर और सरकस जाबर लोगों को कदमों में झुका कर दम लेंगे. सोचा है कफीलब कुछ भी हो, सोचा है कफीलब कुछ भी हो, हर हाल में अपना हक लेंगे, इज्जत से जिए तो जी लेंगे या जाम शहादत पी लेंगे. Dare to be different because we are different. That's all.
हकीकत इल्म हिकमत प्यार लय